Hey, I'm Diane, and welcome to Life Lived Alone. Do you hate cleaning? I do. I hate to devote a long period of time to cleaning when I had rather be doing something that I really enjoy. I do like a clean house, though. So I have come up with this plan of spending 15 minutes a day cleaning, and my house is perpetually clean at all times. And I'm going to show you how I do it. And when I was young, I remember all of my aunts and my mom spending all day Saturday cleaning house. That's just what everybody did when I was growing up. And I learned that a clean house is important. They would spend all day, they would mop and wax the floors, all that kind of stuff. That was a whole day. I don't want to do that. So, now this only works if your house is straight. Do you have everything in place? If you've got boxes and magazines and stuff laying around and stacked around, and well, this might not work for you. But if you have everything in place, and before you go to bed every night, you put everything in its place before you lay down in the bed. It's such a simple 2-minute thing to do that will save you a lot of time in the long run. That's how I do it. And I might mention my vacuum cleaner. This is not going to be on the list because I have a Roomba, and I turn it on like 3 times a week, and it keeps my floors vacuumed and clean. So vacuuming is not one of the things that's on my list. So let's get started. Let's get started cleaning. Sorry, Quinn. Hey guys, it's Thursday, and Thursday I clean the bathroom. Now it's going to be hard for me to show you how I clean my shower, and I'll tell you why. I clean my shower the day that I wash my hair and the day that I'm naked in the shower. It's so much easier to clean the shower when you don't have any clothes on and you're not worried about getting chemicals on you or whatever. That's what I do. So before I get in the shower, I put my Mr. Clean in the shower and with a rag and a cup so that I can rinse all the areas with fresh water. That's how I do that. Now I just clean my commode with Mr. Clean. I buy it concentrated and I mix it up in a spray bottle, and because it's cheaper that way, and I like Mr. Clean. So I clean the outside of the commode first, then the inside of the commode. Everybody knows how to do that. No need for me to show you that. But the point is, I do it all in one day in like 15 minutes. So I'm going to clean the sink right now and the mirror with Windex. And I will be done in here except for getting in the shower and washing my hair. Okay? This smells so good. I'm also going to wipe off my washer and dryer. Of course, right now I'm going to clean the mirror. My mom's mirror, which I love. It weighs a ton. Okay guys, that's Thursday after I jump in the shower. I wanted to tell you that coming up very soon, because it is almost spring, I'm going to make a spring cleaning video. Do you guys do that? That was the thing that my aunts always did in the spring. I'm talking deep cleaning. I kind of do deep cleaning, but on a easier level. But I'm going to show you also how I do that. So watch for that video in the spring. Okay guys, that's how I do it. My house is clean all the time. I'm never embarrassed for anyone to stop by. It's always clean. I burn candles. I make it smell good. I have Febreze spray that I spray every now and then on the rugs and the furniture because I have pets. But I want my house to smell good all the time. Okay. Yeah, just 15 minutes a day and you're done. You can do this too. Love's coming your way.